Excited for my air fryer. Got the knobs, got the functions. I have to do another video where I talk about how you use this because honestly, I'm exhausted from taking this out that box.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Don't keep up with the Joneses.
Okay, you guys, so this is super exciting. This air fryer actually has a rotisserie function, and that's what all of this is. And it has so many options. I can grill, I can toast, I can bake, I can air fry, and I can dehydrate. I wanted a dehydrator literally for so long. And it heats up all the way to 230 degrees Celsius. I don't know how to do the conversions, but in my mind, that's like 500 degrees. So this is super cool. Obviously, it has the timer. I have the different trays, so I can like air fry, dehydrate, do the things, you know, the things. And yeah, look at this. I have my grilling tray, and then I have my bottom tray so I can catch any grease or whatever, I don't know, juices. So this is super cool. Can't wait to use it, especially during load shedding. All right, so I picked up this air fryer from Damaco's. Let's see what's in a box. An air fryer. Let me take it out. Hold on. The world's most challenging unboxing ever. Y'all, this shirt is like, no take back. This is so bad. Obviously, this is nice and lightweight. Wait, hold on, let me back it up so you can see. Okay, hopefully I didn't need anything that was in that box. So, this is the air fryer. I wanted to get one that was big. Oh, it's taped. I'm like, why can't I open this? Okay. Giving my Vanna White vibes. Okay, and so I have this tray. I'm gonna say I could put fries here. Where is it gonna sit on? I guess it stands up. Hold on, let's see. Okay, so I guess this is done. So I just put it like this, I guess. And then I have all this stuff. Let's see what it is. So, oh yeah, I did get the one with the rotisserie function. I love a good rotisserie function on an air fryer, y'all. So that's what this is for. This goes together in a way. Oh, shoot. Okay. These are the pieces for my rotisserie function. I know that because I had an air fryer back home with a rotisserie function. Oh, good. Here's a user guide. I probably will not read. I like to figure it out as I go. So I'll put it in a drawer just in case, but I don't plan to use it. This is a tray, obviously. Just stick it in there. This probably goes at the bottom to catch like juices and whatnot. So actually, I'll do this. Gosh. I could do this. No, seriously, how do you... I'm gonna have to figure this part out. No lie, I might have to look at that book. But anyway, so excited for my air fryer. Got the knobs, got the functions. I have to do another video where I talk about how you use this because honestly, I'm exhausted from taking this out that box. So this is just strictly unboxing video.